Hi. Okay, right now I'm gonna talk about my unforgettable moment at my birthday on 2022. Okay, back on October 7th, 2022, the day before my birthday, I went to Marigona City with my boyfriend because I wanna buy some things on KKV, and in that time I didn't get along with my boyfriend parents yet. And then after we went to KKV, my boyfriend went to the bank and do some transaction. And then my boyfriend's mom called him. She said that she wanted to talk with me. Okay. And then his mom said, "Happy birthday, Fionna," and the wish. And then I was shocked at that time because his mom's really care about me, even though my birthday is on 8th October, but still that was one of my unforgettable moments. And then after that, the day on my birthday, suddenly his mom called me in the morning. And then she asked, before she asked me about my address, she said that happy birthday again, and then she said the wish again, and then she asked about my address where I was live. And then I didn't know before, and a couple of hours suddenly my boyfriend's parents came to my house and gave me a birthday cake. And I was touched and happy at that time because I didn't know that his parents is really care. I love me that much. Yeah, that's one of my unforgettable moments.